Hello everyone. So as we all know that data cleaning and pre-processing are some of the most complex and monotonous tasks in basically our machine learning and data science field. So we decided to create an application that basically automates this process and it transforms your raw data into powerful insights and AI model effortlessly. Now, here we have two tabs, that is data refinery and data visualization. I will first like to explain you the function of the data refinery. First of all, you have to upload your dataset, and then you have to manually select the irrelevant columns, and then basically these functions we will apply it on our own backend. That is handle missing value, encoding categorical data, and scaling numerical features. After that, you could basically train your machine learning model based on the clean data, and if you once the model is trained, you could also make predictions. So first of all, I would basically here I have selected a titanic.csv file. Here, my irrelevant columns are name and passenger ID. So basically, I have already chosen them to basically reduce the time, and so I would again choose them. Now here, see, these are the missing values that were found in the dataset. It has highlighted them also, and how it were filled, it is also highlighted. Now after that, it will uh, basically scale the numerical columns, and these were the columns that scaled: survived, p class, age, and all of them. And after that, it will apply the encoding to categorical columns, and once all of it has been applied, you could basically see the your clean data. And we have also put an option to download your clean data. So here it would basically, you could download your clean data, and you could also see the statistics of your data. After that, we have another tab, that is data visualization. And as it names, it helps you to explore, understand, and analyze your data set in seconds. So these are some of the things that you would know before basically generating your profile report. That is overview and alerts. Basically, it gives a quick summary of your data set, and it also alerts you any potential issues. Now it also gives you the data set statistics, and it could also give you a correlation, and you could basically read them if you want to know any further thing about it. So I would again upload my titanic.csv here. So here it is. So as you can see, it also gives you the data preview. Now I would like click on the generate profile report. It is running, and once it is run, you could see what it is. So basically, this is the overview, and these are the alerts. Like here, sex is highly overall correlated with survived, and these are the dataset statistics variables, and you could basically see the correlation with survived, and these are the names that were distinct. Here are they are located. And one more thing that I wanted to show you is basically interaction. Now here you could basically see interaction with the two variables, and it is a very important thing when you are basically analyzing your data in data analysis. So these are the things that it does. Now I would like to explain you how the model trainer works. Okay, so we now have to basically train our model. So first of all, I will switch back to our tab 1, and now I will open the sidebar. Here I have selected this problem type classification, and you could basically select all of them three. Like first of all, I would hover over all of the details. Like in the classification, these are the set of algorithms that you can choose to train your basically clean data. And now in regression, you have these set of algorithms, and in basically unsupervised learning, we have added these algorithms. So first of all, as this is a classification problem, I would basically choose logistic regression. And these it basically default select all the input features, but if you want to manually select, you could basically clear clear uh, clear these features or clear them all. Okay, and these are the selected input features. These are basically shown. Okay, so now now what are the algorithm parameters also defined, like this is a linear model for binary or multi-class classification, and good for baseline models and interpreter result. And now we have the option to enforce a penalty, and this is the L1, L2, and elastic net, or you could basically choose no penalty. And this is the strength of your penalty. And here it is a solver. Basically it is the method your ML algorithm use to learn the best parameter of your data. Now after that you have to basically click on the button that is train model. Now when I click on this button, my model has been successfully trained, and this is my model result. Like here the accuracy is 80% and recall is 81%. So it is overall good, and this is the button that has shown model trained successfully. So what if I would basically want to use unsupervised learning? So here these are the things that are present, and these are also selected for default, but you could also manually change them, and we have added this also. Now if I want to train this model, so basically it is training. And in the unsupervised learning, since it basically divides your data into clusters, so we have also added the method of cluster visualization, and in a second you would basically see it. Okay, so this is the cluster projection, that this data is projected to 3D. Now these are the three features, and you could basically use this to basically understand how your data is distributed, and how would you would basically classify. So that was all that our apps uses to do. And so if you are a beginner in ML and AI, I think our website would serve a very easy way to help you understand all the complex concept of machine learning and their algorithms. And basically our main priority during making of this was to make the process of data flow, like how our data goes from cleaning to encoding to scaling to our model. And if anyone who is new in the field of ML, it will definitely be helpful, and hope you like it.